Hi everyone, welcome to Agnes Dexo. In this video, I will be presenting the topic about using object, how to simplify scripting. The contents of this video are introduction, why objects simplify scripting, defining an object, constructor function, this keyword, defining an object method, creating an object instance, and example. Object in JavaScript has one or more properties and functions together, making your code cleaner, easier to manage, and more efficient. Instead of using many separate variables or multiple arrays to store the related information, objects keep everything in one logical structure. Consider this example. Here, card is an object. The properties of card object are name, address, work phone, and home phone. Now, why object simplify scripting? Instead of using single variable, objects group related data together. They provide functions or methods to work on that data. So they make programs easier to read and maintain, and they reduce repetition and make code reusable. So the first step is creating an object is to name it and its properties. In the previous example, card is the name of the object. So each object will have the related properties of the particular object. Here, card object have the following properties: name, address, work phone, and home. The next step in using this object in a JavaScript program is to create a function. This function is called the constructor for an object. Now, what is constructor function? The constructor is a simple function that accepts parameters to initialize a new object and assigns them to the corresponding properties. So this construction function accepts several parameters from the statement that calls the function and then assigns them as properties of an object. This keyword. So this keyword used any time to create an object definition. This keyword refers to the current object, the one that is created by the constructor function. This is an example of constructor function of the code for the code object. This is the code object. Here we use the following parameters: name, address, work, and home. So in JavaScript, the function definition use the function keyword. Then we write the function name. Within parentheses, we write the parameters. So here, this dot name is equal to name refer to the current name of the code object. Like that, this dot address, this dot work phone, and this dot home phone use the current value of the particular code object. So object has properties and methods. So here the print code function is used to uh, display a method for code objects. Instead of passing any parameters, these keywords can be used to refer through the current object's properties. So function is a keyword, then we write the function name print code. So this dot name, it print the current name of the code object. So document dot write line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4. So it print the properties values of the card object. Creating an object instance. So we create the object using new keyword. So here Tom, there is the one of the new card object using new keyword. We create the card object for Tom. Name is equal to Tom Jones. Then we write the address, home phone and work phone. So when we call the card function, it passes the parameters to the particular function. So after we execute this code, it creates the related information about the card object Tom. This is called as an instance of the card object. So like that here, we create an empty card object called Jerry and then assigns its properties. So Jerry is equal to new card. This is the new card object. Here we didn't give any parameters, but we assign the values for each properties. So the print card method is used to display the information of the card object. So previously we created Tom and Jerry, two new card objects. Tom.print card, it displays the relevant information of the Tom objects. This is a simple example using constructor function. Here we write the HTML tags and header, title. Within body tag, we use the script. So here function definition we write. Student is a object here. Name, age and course are the properties of the student object. Using this keyword, we assign the values, assign the current value for the each properties. Then here S1 is the new instance. So it stores the information, name Tom, then age 20 and the course information technology. Here we use the document.getElement by ID method used to display the values of name, age and course. So this is the sample output of the previous program. Thank you.